Dating is not an audition. You should never walk into a first date thinking that you're auditioning. I want you to be yourself because being yourself is the real flex. Relax. Be yourself. When you feel that you cannot be yourself, it screams two things. I am very insecure and this person may not like me, or I'm just not an honest person. When you go on your first or second date, this is the trial period. Because let's be honest, you're hoping for some kind of connection, right? That's the whole point of showing up. You're not there just to fill the evening. You're there hoping this turns into good conversation, the kind where you actually find out if you two share some of the same interests, values, or a sense of humor. Because I don't know about you, but me, I like to laugh. And I'm hoping that this person will laugh at my joke. And if they have a joke and I find it funny, I'm going to laugh. Okay? That's what connection is built on, not just attraction, but oh, you like that too kind of moments. And that's exactly why keeping the conversation clean and honest matters so much. When you're straightforward, not performing, not exaggerating, not hiding who you really are, it doesn't just help your date see you clearly, it helps you to see clearly as well. A clean, honest conversation gives you both real information to make a real decision. Do I want to see this person again or not? You can't make that call off of a performance. You can only make that off of the truth. But here's another truth. Some people aren't very honest. And sometimes it's hard to tell when a person you just met is being honest. Because let's face it, how can you tell if someone that you just met is not saying the things that they think you want to hear? This is why it's so important to take your time when dating and don't tell everything. Don't tell your whole life story on the first, the second, or the third date. Leave some things to the imagination. And that's why I wrote my book, Meaningful Dating, because finding out who's real and who's not shouldn't feel like guesswork. In this book, I walk you through exactly what to look for, what to ask, and what to pay attention to. So you're not left second guessing every date you go on. Right now, you can grab your copy from my Shopify store, mslimerch.com. You'll get a free t-shirt with it because I want you looking good and dating smart. The link is in the description.